here comes the moment we've all been waiting for. Make some noise for the icon herself and the face of Magpakailanman. Please welcome our veteran host and journalist, Miss Belle Tiago. Taon na kasama sa ating weekend habit ang panonood ng mga makabuluhan at may pagmamalaking kwento ng Magpakailanman. Maraming salamat po mga kapuso sa patuloy na pagtangkilik. And here's to many more years to come. And also, bilang napaka-special ito, 23rd year anniversary ng Magpakailanman, I am excited to share the news that Magpakailanman will be having its own YouTube channel very soon to mark the show's 23rd year anniversary. And we will be uploading, mga kapuso, ang best episodes ng Magpakailanman through the years. Kaya abangan niyo po yan kung ano-ano ang mga episodes na yan.
So I would like to think it is because the televiewers see that Magpakailanman loves them. Pero nakikita na nila that this is the show that is really for them. That is really after what is good for them. It is the show that really gives them inspiration. It is a show that is really true. That has the credibility, that does not exploit, at hindi siya yung nagyayabang lang, but really, if Magpakailanman was a human being, Magpakailanman loves them truly. Totoo yung storya namin. Totoo, hindi namin gawa-gawa lang yan, no? And you must know that each and every element of that story is approved by our subject. Approve nila yon. Hindi kami maglalabas ng kami-kami lang. Hindi. Alam ko na bahagi kayo, no, ng mga dapat naming pasalamatan sa patuloy na tagumpay ng Magpakailanman. Thank you very much. And then, I want to thank, of course, GMA Network. No? Na patuloy na sinuportahan ang Magpakailanman all these 23 years. No, that's okay. You took us out of the air for 2 years, but that's okay. Because when we returned with a bang. Yes. At talagang sinustay namin yan hanggang ngayon. Thank you, GMA. Thank you very much. Thank you to everybody who played a role in the success of Magpakailanman, whether you are the director, you are the writer, you are the researcher, you are the PA, lahat kayo dapat pasalamatan sa inyong inambag sa 3 taon ng Magpakailanman. And again, we are offering you the best we have produced yet. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Miss Belle Tiago, everyone.